Sven.
Yes, I'm here.
5, 4, 3, 2. All right, Sven. Are you ready for it?
I'm ready.
Sven, guess what people are buying this week?
E-Trade?
Oh, this stock makes me it makes me queasy. So it's up 10% this week. And guess what it was nominated as this week? The most volatile stock in the financial sector of the S&P 500. The daily average revenue trades down.
So people are just trading elsewhere?
But customer cash and deposits rose for the third month in a row, increasing by nearly $1 billion. So making sense of all this stuff, I think it's people are just trading less. E-Trade is cheap, and I think when the Fed bails out one troubled financial services company, I think people are saying E-Trade has to be on that list soon. Sven, we have another financial services juggernaut for our second purchase stock this week.
Visa?
Visa. Visa set a record last week for the largest IPO ever.
Well, the reason why they did the IPO is because all the banks need cash. This is one of the few things they can sell off and actually make a lot of cash.
Visa is actually the #1 credit card company in the world. That's MasterCard.
This shirt was incidentally bought with a Visa card.
Was it?
Yes, it was.
I hope you didn't pay more than $1 for that.
It's a huge industry. It's the first time one of these things are really going public at this scale because there is nothing else at this scale. So it's a bit hard to predict where it's going to go, but I think it has a huge potential.
So you're saying credit card transactions, bullish?
I'm bullish.
You're bullish on credit card transactions?
Credit card transactions and on Visa in general.
Sven, this is actually a first. Guess what people sold this week?
I don't know. Clearwire.
Yeah, you know what? Have you heard about the Clearwire Corporation?
No, I haven't.
So Clearwire was up 36% this week. What Clearwire does is they build out an infrastructure called WiMAX.
I know about WiMAX. It's kind of taking our wireless networking and mobile networks and kind of push them into one.
It's like Wi-Fi, but it goes to 11.
It goes to 11.
So it's up this week because several cable companies are in talks to fund the company's new internet venture with Sprint. This is a company that lost almost $200 million last year. I'm not super bullish on the Clearwire. And clearly other people saw the huge run up and they're like, I'm getting the hell out of here. Sven, we have a new segment this week.
We do.
An ongoing segment. It's called Who Takes the Cake? Every week we're going to look at the markets. We're going to look at something just that not so crazy that you just can't and shouldn't have missed. And we're going to summarize it for you in a 15-second soundbite that is delicious.
All right.
So this week's Who Takes the Cake? Congratulations, Bear Stearns and Jim Cramer.
Bear Stearns is fine. Do not take your money. This is really, look, if there's one takeaway other than a plus 400 somebody, Bear Stearns is not in trouble. I mean, if anything, they're more likely to be taken over. Don't move your money from Bear. That's just being silly. Don't be silly.
Yum.
Them's good eatins. Okay, Sven. Rich Swede, poor Swede.
What do you got this week?
Oh, this is just, this is corrupt Swede.
Corrupt Swede again?
No, last week we had unfortunate Swede.
Unfortunate Swede, okay.
So Volvo, our favorite soccer mom and hippie driving station wagon firm, they were bribing and giving money to Saddam Hussein.
But they admitted to no wrongdoing, right?
No, they admitted to it.
Really? So this is actually the truck maker Volvo and not the Berkeley Soccer Mom vehicle, but bad just the same.
Thanks for watching The Slice, y'all. Peace.